with Vice President Binay snubbing the Senate Blue Ribbon panel hearing. The subcommittee resumed its own inquiry. During the hearing, lawyer Renato Bondal claimed the construction of the Makati Science High School is overpriced by 826 million pesos. Again, here's Sam Ramirez.
Just like the Makati City Hall 2, the Makati Science High School is also allegedly overpriced. This is what Attorney Renato Bondal, plunder complainant against Vice President and then Makati City Mayor Jojo Binay, said during the continuation of the Blue Ribbon Subcommittee's probe.
Ayon po dun sa handbook, the construction standard handbook po ng Davis, Landon and Shea, makikita po natin na ang overprice po o ang naging presyo ng building na yan ay 283% overpriced o 3 times ang bukol ng mga binay sa building na ito.
Construction for the said building started in 2007, same with the Makati City Hall 2. It was Hillmarks Construction Corporation which built the said school. Bondal said the 10-story building measuring 18,373 square meters was worth 1.3 billion pesos when it started construction in 2007. It finished construction February 2014. This means the cost per square meter is at 72,500 pesos, Bondal said. However, according to 2013 average industry price, the average cost per square meter is at 25,620 pesos. This means the average cost of the building should be at 470 million pesos only. Former Bids and Awards Committee Vice Chairman Mario Hechanova alleged that bidding for the said building was also rigged.
Do you confirm that? Na itong bidding na to, niluto ba ito o totoong nangyari?
Your Honor, kasama po yan ng Makati Parking Building. So sabay po ibiniding yan, parehong mga kontraktor. So kaya sinasabi ko biding-bidingan lang ho yan at niluto namin yan.
Former Makati Vice Mayor Ernesto Mercado bared Binay's alleged hidden foreign bank accounts. Mercado showed copies of some of Binay's alleged time deposits and balance statements in various Hong Kong banks. Mercado said there were also bank accounts under the names of Ebeng Baloloy and Jerry Limlingan, Binay's alleged longtime aides.
Paano natin masasabi na ang perang ito ay kay Binay at dami lang sila Limlingan at Baloloy? Yung pong sumunod na slide, sir, katulad ho nung ipinakita ko nung nakaraang mag-testify ako rito, siguro natatandaan po niyo yung sulat na yan. Yan po sulat kamay ni Mr. Gerald Limlingan, nakatiwala ni BP Binay, na kung saan gumawa po siya ng summary nung perang hinahawakan nila ni Ebeng Baloloy.
However, Senator Aquilino Pimentel, the third chairman of the Blue Ribbon Subcommittee, said the investigation will no longer pursue Mercado's newest revelation in the next hearings, since it is not covered by the inquiry's objective. The Senate Resolution 826 filed by Senator Antonio Trillanes IV only covers the investigation of the two buildings as well as Makati Nursing Building, Makati City Hall 1, Hospital na Makati, and Friendship Suites, which are allegedly overpriced as well. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.